In last video, we have discussed about two colligative properties, elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. Welcome learners, today we will discuss about some questions related with these two colligative properties. So we have question bank. First question is given to us. The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin when 1.80 gram of a non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute if Kb for benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kilogram per mole. So this is given to us. First of all, we will write the equation related with this question. And because we know this question is related with elevation in boiling point. So formula for delta Tb is equal to Kbm, where del Tb is the del Tb is boiling point elevation and Kb is the molar boiling point elevation constant and m is our molality. So del Tb can be written as Kb into m, that is molality, number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So it can be written as Wb by Mb into 1000 by Wa, where Wb is the mass or weight of solute, Mb is the molar mass of solute and Wa is the mass or weight of solvent. This expression represents the molality. So what we have from this question, the boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin, and when we add non-volatile solute, boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. It means T node F, also T node B, that is boiling point of pure solvent is 353.23 Kelvin, whereas boiling point of solution means Tb is 354.11 Kelvin. So from here we can calculate the value of del Tb, because it is equal to del Tb is equal to Tb minus T node B, and it is what, 354.11 minus 353.23. So what we will have, 88.0, that will be our value of del Tb. Now what is weight of solute given to us? Wb, that is non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. So 1.80 gram is our weight of solute, and weight of solvent, benzene is our solvent, so Wa is 90 gram. Beside that, we have also given Kb value. Kb of benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Normally Kb value for water is fixed, and that is 0.52 Kelvin kilogram per mole, but here we have given benzene and Kb value for benzene is 2.53 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Now how we will calculate that is molar mass of solute, Mb. So we have to calculate Mb, putting the values of all these terms. Del Tb is 0.88 is equal to Kb. Kb is given to us, and that is 2.53 into Wb 1.80 divided by Mb, that is we have to calculate Mb 1000 divided by Wa, weight of solvent, that is 90. From here we can calculate the value of Mb. It will become 2.53 into 1.80 into 1000 divided by 0.88 into 90. and this x will be our answer, that is molar mass of solute. So this is all about the question number 1. Now question number 2, what is asked from us in question number 2? 45 gram of ethylene glycol is mixed with 600 gram of water. Calculate the freezing point depressant and the freezing point of solution. So it is related with the depression in freezing point, and del Tf is always equal to Kfm, where del Tf is freezing point depression, whereas Kf is molar freezing point depression constant or cryoscopic constant. M is our molality. So we can write it as del Tf Kf molality is equal to Wb by Mb into 1000 by, that is Wa. Molality is always equal to number of moles of solute. These are number of moles of solute, Wb by Mb divided by mass or weight of solvent in grams. So what we have from this question, 45 gram of ethylene glycol. It means solute is given to us Wb, that is 45 gram. Beside that, it is dissolved in 600 gram of water. So Wa is 600 gram. Water is our solvent, so Wa is 600 gram. Now what is the value of Mb, molar mass of solute? Mb, how we can calculate molar mass of solute? Mb, that is ethylene glycol. Mb of ethylene glycol having the formula CH2OH, CH2OH. ये इथाइलिन ग्लाइकोल का फॉर्मूला होता है, दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज इथेन 1,2 डायोल. वी कैन राइट इन शॉर्ट C2H6O2. This is condensed formula of ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2 diol. So what will the molar mass of ethane 1,2 diol? Atomic mass of carbon is 12 into 2, atomic mass of hydrogen 1 into 6, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into 2. So it will be equal to what? 24, 30, 32. So 30 plus 32, that is 62 gram per mole. So that is molar mass of ethane 1,2 diol. Now we'll put the values and we'll calculate del Tf. Kf, yes, of course the freezing point of water is fixed, and that is 1.86 Kelvin किलोग्राम पर मोल. Kf भी आपका फिक्स्ड होता है वाटर के लिए, एंड दैट इज 1.86 केल्विन किलोग्राम पर मोल. तो हमारे पास ये वैल्यू भी हमें पता होनी चाहिए, फिक्स्ड होती है. सो 1.86 इंटू Wb, दैट इज 45 डिवाइड बाय Mb 62 इंटू 1000 divide by Wa, that is 600 gram. From here we will calculate value of del Tf. Suppose it is x gram, x Kelvin. ये आपकी जो वैल्यू आएगी that is del Tf. Now this is the answer of first part, the freezing point depression, that is freezing point depression. Now the freezing point of solution, we know del Tf is equal to T node F minus Tf. So we know value of del Tf is x, and value of del Tf, freezing point of water of pure solvent. We know pure solvent is water in this question, and we know freezing point of water is always 0 degree Celsius. In Kelvin it will be 273.15 minus Tf. So from here we can easily calculate the value of Tf. That will be our answer of second question. In Kelvin kilogram per mole, that was our Kf. Likewise we'll calculate the value of Tf, that will be in Kelvin. So now we move to the third question, that is what are antifreeze solution. This question be asked in such a manner, why ethylene glycol is added to water in car radiators while we are driving through hilly areas. So what is the answer of this question? You know, we know water is used in car radiator, but freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius or 273.15 Kelvin. While we are driving through hilly areas, water will freeze because temperature at near hilly areas is below 0 degree Celsius. वहाँ पे आपका 0 से नीचे चला जाता है, इसका मतलब पानी तो जम जाएगा. Then what we'll do? We will add some chemical substances which will lower down the freezing point, and that is ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2-diol. अगर इथाइलिन ग्लाइकोल या इथेन 1,2-डायोल को डालते हैं तो पानी आपका उन हिल एरियाज में जमेगा नहीं, क्योंकि टेम्परेचर आपका 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से नीचे चला जाएगा फ्रीज होने का टेम्परेचर. और मान लीजिए आपका माइनस में 30-40 तक चला जाता है, तो वहाँ का टेम्परेचर इतना तो नहीं जाएगा माइनस तक. इसका मतलब वो फ्रीज नहीं होगा आपका पानी जो कार रेडिएटर में इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. दैट्स वाई ethylene glycol will be used as anti-freeze solution. Anti means against, so it will avoid any type of freezing, lowers down the freezing point. It will help in depression in freezing point. So this is about the answer third. Now question number fourth, sodium chloride freezes at lower temperature than water but boils at higher temperature than water. Explain. We know freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius and boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. But when we add some non-volatile solute in it, then what will happen? The solution will show elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. पानी में अगर हम नमक मिला देते तो वही पानी आपका जो बॉयल 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे हो रहा था वो आपका 100 से ऊपर जाके बॉयल होगा. उसी तरह से उसी पानी में अगर हम नमक डाल देते हैं, सोडियम क्लोराइड डाल देते हैं, तो पानी जो आपका जम रहा था 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे, अब 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस ना जम के बल्कि इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा नीचे पे जमेगा. That's why we can say sodium chloride when added in water, it will causes elevation in boiling point, and likewise when we add sodium chloride in water, it may also causes depression in freezing point. Boiling point को बढ़ा देता है सोडियम क्लोराइड पानी में डालने के बाद और freezing point को नीचे ले आता है. So this is about the answer of question 4. Now question 5, why is camphor preferred as solvent for measuring the molecular mass of naphthalene by Rast method? Rast method is used for determination of the lowering of depression, or we can say depression in freezing point or melting point. So whenever camphor is used, so camphor has large Kf values, so it will lower down the melting point of solution. After addition of small amount of solute, we are taking naphthalene in this process, so if we will add small amount of naphthalene, it will show lowering or depression in melting point of solution. That's why camphor is preferred, because it has large Kf, values. So this is about the question section. At lastly, I want to say, learners, please keep studying, be positive, and stay negative from pandemic. Thanks learners.